are the best ones. Hi guys, this is AJR Gaming, and today I'll be showing you how to get the legendary bird trio that was just added to Pokemon Brick Bronze yesterday. So first we'll need to go to this guy. So he wants these deep sea scales, and he'll give you a ticket to go to the islands where, well, separate islands where the birds are at. And yeah, I don't have any yet, so that sucks. But you'll need a Butterfree or something that has compound eyes, because I guess that increases the chance of finding it. A Noibat that has Frisk, or a Noivern, or any other thing that has Frisk. And then I just have this thing to like paralyze or make it go to sleep, because I'm only going to be using Pokeballs because I don't have that much money. And then this right here is a deep sea tooth. So I got excited when I saw it at first, but then when I said tooth, I got mad. To this area to find the Basculins. And then we keep going forward. And then there will be a lake all the way at the end of it. Oh, I hate this. How it goes really slow sometimes. Like right now. Now I'm just gonna run. So this lake right here. And by the way, I'm pretty sure the building back there is for the Elite Four, if you didn't know. So just go fishing here. There's another guy doing the same thing. So I'll fast forward to when I actually find a Basculin that has it. Oh my god. Did it really take that fast to find that? I'm not gonna risk it, so I'm just gonna make it fall asleep. Well, that was really fast. Well, that's good. I'm happy. Yes, I found a deep sea. Okay, one down, two to go. I can't see how they look. I never seen how they look. Oh, I thought that was gonna be blue or something. Okay, so I'll fast forward again when I find the next one. Oh my god, 2 in a row? What? How? I was expecting this to take so long. Okay, third one, charm, I guess. Even though it's my fourth one, but third time with it being asleep, so. 1, 2. No! Don't wake up. Stop, please. I only have 5 left now. You're sleeping half health. Come on. 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, 1 more to go. That was unbelievable. 2 in a row. Well, that's really good for me. Now I just need 1 more. Yay. dead one. So here's in the next one. Hide and attack, learn and special defense. I don't know, I probably won't use a Sharpedo on my team, but just looking at them. Okay, I'll fast forward to when I find the next one, unless it's 3 in a row. What the heck? 3 in a row! 2, 3. Yes! Oh, time to get Moltres and Articuno and Zapdos. Here I come! All 3 deep seas. Just gonna make it faster and oh, I'm so happy. And then he'll give us the tickets. Yes. Frigid ticket. Yes. Voltiatic ticket. Yes. Obsidian ticket. I want to see how they look. Are they here? Yeah. Oh, they're just ugly. Tropical ticket looks nicer. Sky. Phrygia Island. Ooh, looks nice here. Wait, can we go fishing here? Wait, what? Okay. 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 I guess we could just run to the boat. Articuno Island. Then you can walk to the water and fall out the map. Oh my god. Whoa. Hoverboarding on water, guys. Woo! Let's go in here. Yeah, he knows. Oh yeah, I forgot the new encounters here. Okay guys, I'll skip to when I find something interesting. Okay guys, so I found an Alolan Sandshrew. So rock climb doesn't kill it. This is not kill plus not. Oh, not very effective. Okay, I could do that more. Perfect. Confusion. Slash. Hey, you use slash and the evolution of it is sand slash. Nice. Kill. Free. Please don't kill my M. Yeah, I accidentally typed N when I was going through my PC. Arachnis! Yes, didn't miss. Okay, perfect. Confused and asleep. Here's the Premier Ball. Hey! 1. Yay! I guess I like Premier Balls. Okay, so I'll skip to when I find something else that's interesting. Okay, so at the entrance, and you just turn to the right, there's a Pokeball here. I'm pretty sure it's Blizzard. 14, I think I said. Yeah, Blizzard. And if you didn't notice, there's an Articuno right there. Its wings are flapping. So that's cool. I'm gonna put my max repel on because there's nothing really interesting except that sand shrood. Get on my hoverboard. Let's go up this mountain. So you could literally just walk into the water in this area, like it's a really bad glitch. Ooh, this looks nice. I think I'll use this as my screenshot. Okay, so let's go fight this Articuno. Oh. So I saved before, so you guys should make sure you save before you actually do this. I don't really want a shiny hunt, I don't really care. It takes too long. Freeze dry. Okay, so I do not think Hex will kill it, so let's do that. Well, I hope Hex doesn't kill it, because then if it does, that sucks. Okay, good. Power does nothing. Let me switch to something that it could kill. I need to kill something. Don't kill anything like this. I doubt Rock Smash will kill it. So I'm gonna do it. Oh, perfect reflex. Okay, I'm safe. That's not gonna kill it for sure. Oh my god, that did nothing. Oh my god. Even if this crits, I don't think I'll kill it. That almost killed me, so. And I missed again. Dang it. Okay, now I just need to use like something like Reflect or like. Oh no. All of its stats just increased. Okay, I need to use like Agility, please. Use Agility. I need to get this off. Don't kill me. Yes. Okay, don't miss now. If I miss, I'm dead. Yes. Oh, that's good. The Reflect also wore off. Okay, let's go for Ultra Ball. Come on. It took forever to fall down. One. Oh my god. This is gonna be hard. Oh, watch. I'm calling it. Pokeball's gonna catch it. Ready for this, guys? Pokeball. Pokeball. Come on, Pokeball. One. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Articuno in a Pokeball. A Pokeball. Oh. What's up with my luck today? With my luck today. Easier than a Pokeball though. Okay, so now a trick to get out of here faster is use Get Unstuck. I want to see something. Can you fly out of the cave? Oh my gosh, you can fly out of the cave. Are you serious? I guess they didn't really do that much work into that because they're busy working on apartments. Wait, what did I accidentally clicked something? Oh, perfect. I accidentally clicked the right one. Can I walk in the water here also? No, they actually were smart for this one. That looks cool. Come on, no, because I want to find some interesting stuff. Okay, so I'll skip to when I find something interesting. Okay guys, so right at the entrance, you just go this way, and then there's this TM right here. First I'm gonna run into a Pokemon. That's not important. I might put Thunder on my Gargantuar, even though I'm gonna get rid of it for Fortress. Either Fortress or Gargantuar, and I want Fortress. Gotta get a new team. I think this was Thunder. Yeah. He was on Gargantuar. Even though I have a really high chance of missing here. I can put Thunderbolt back on it anytime. Okay. Okay, so I'll skip to when I find something else. Okay, so I found an Alola Graveler. Pretty cool. It's an Ultra Ball. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that guy just flashed from my screen. I'm just like floating noodle here, guy. That was creepy. It's like he was trying to steal my Pokeball. It was Team Rocket, guys. Let me run. Team Rocket. I'm pretty sure there's one more thing in here. I think it's Stunfisk. Stunfisk is here. Stunfisk. Grounded Electric, I think. Clear and water moves though, which is pretty cool. Flat, completely flat. So I'll skip to when I find it. Okay, so I found the Stunfisk. So I'm pretty sure it's a ground type, so Thunder doesn't have any effect. I'm just like throwing a Pokeball at it. Oh, I should save that Pokemon for Zapdos, because I know Pokeballs are better than Ultra Balls. Or not. Camouflage. It transforms into normal type. Perfect. Now I can kill you with electric, but I'm not going to do that. Get in the Pokeball, please. Oh my god. Literally a Pokeball shook more than that. So you suck. It used Endured. So that means... Oh, it's not one-shot it. I could have shot for an attack. Okay, I'm wasting my Pokeball for this guy now. I'm switching. Okay, it used Endure again. Come on, M. You got this, M. Stop transforming! You suck, M. No, M doesn't suck. You suck. Oh, Rex and Mega Drain. How do you feel? Well, I did absolutely nothing. Stop. You're already a normal type. Okay, look at the difference. So Articuno was all the way up here, and the Pokeball was like... And now for a Stunfisk, when you throw the Ultra Ball, it just slides on the ground right away. Oh, no. This is making me mad. I'm wasting my Pokeballs on this. I need to save these for Articuno and Zapdos and Moltres. For some reason, I feel like Zapdos is going to be the hardest one to catch. Because I like Zapdos. This is like my favorite one. Okay, so I'll skip to when I get to the Zapdos. All I have to do is keep walking up this hill and go find it. Okay guys, this is actually attempt number 3 because I keep killing it. Okay, literally Gargantuar used Energy Ball. It didn't do half, it almost did half. And the next time it critical. I'm gonna save so I don't have to keep putting that Focus Slash back on. And I'm running into a Pokemon. Nosepass is guarding Zapdos. Wow, good job, Nosepass. You know what I think of your Guardians? I just run away from them. No, fight me. Okay, here we go. Come on, Zapdos. I like Zapdos. It's my favorite Zapdos. It could kill all the legendary birds. Except itself. Articuno could only kill Zapdos. And it can't kill itself or Moltres. And then Moltres can only kill, how super effective against Articuno. So Articuno is like the worst one, but the most beautiful one. Okay, we're gonna do this Energy Ball again. And I hope it doesn't crit like last time. I was like, I hope it doesn't crit. And it crit. That's super effective. Oh, it would have been nice if you raised your special defense a little. So this could have been easier for me. Oh. Oh. Oh, now you raised your special defense. Okay. I see. I see what you're doing. Okay, kill my my Antipus. Kill my Antipus. Please. No agility, you're fast. You're fast enough. But I keep switching back and forth until it kills one of them because I need to get my little gimp out to make it fall asleep. Okay. Literally, if it doesn't catch when I make it, if it falls asleep, then Pokeballs are literally the best because I caught not even this low Articuno with the Pokeball, and I can't even catch it last time. I got it to yellow like about here, and I still did not kill it. I catch it with an Ultra Ball and it's sleeping. So Pokeballs are the best. Yeah, you keep doing that. And you can kill my Entei right now, please. Can you kill something, please? Please, Zapdos. When you're like the best one of all of them, just kill us. Yes, do that. Okay, good. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm bullying my Pokemon, guys. I'm letting them die. Time to fall asleep, Zapdos. Use agility, perfect. So that means he's not even taking my Pokeslash. Well, even if I don't think he'll one-shot me with ancient power up. Last time he did it, so I don't think he could do it again. What? Ultra Balls are literally the worst ones. Not lying. Wait, special defense rose. So should I risk it? 60, 40. Okay, Mega Drain. Hope it doesn't kill it. And I woke up. Did the same thing last time. Oh, they did nothing. Like I expected it to do. Take a sleep powder, come on. Yes, perfect. Yes, perfect. Not perfect. Use charge. Please use charge. Yes! The chances. My guesses today are spot on. You gotta catch this time, Zapdos. I hurt you even a little bit more. Oh my god! Zapdos, why you being so difficult? What the? Stop. Oh my god. Come on, Zapdos. You literally are the best one. If it's a good move, I'll put it on. Whoa, I just realized this could be a really strategic Pokemon. Sleep Powder, and then using that move, well, that's gonna destroy everything. Let's see if the developers did better on this place. Nope, they did not. You go fly out. Okay, now it's only Moltres. Here I come. I'll heal them first. I've used no Master Ball so far. Okay, so I'll skip to when I get to the island. Okay, so I'm here. Let's see if we can go walk on water. No, we cannot. We can't fish either. Let's go look around here. Maybe there's TM. No. Brando. Someone poop. Wow, it looks small on the outside, but it's really big on the inside. Okay, I think I got stuck there. Okay, we can't go that way. We can't. Let's go in. Okay, so I'll skip to when I find something interesting. Perfect, I found a Turtonator. I was looking for this guy. Kind of really glitchy because it's new, so they didn't really put that much work into it. Turtonator looks cool. I like Turtonator. Hey, we just both use flamethrower. Look, he has fire coming out of his back. He's so cool, isn't he? You know, Florida, this app does me a run. 1, 2, race. Perfect. That's a new Pokemon to the Pokédex, even though I have a bunch of Pokemon already in my Pokédex. So I'll skip to when I get to Okay, guys, so there's a TM right here. We're next to Moltres, and it's Fire Blast. Yeah, Fire Blast. Let's heal my Entei very quickly. Let's have Shaman out instead, and use Energy Ball. This is attempt 2. I got really scared last time because I didn't save. Didn't save again. Well, I had auto save on, so I auto saved over there. So. Okay, I doubt Energy Ball kill it. Last time it criticaled and it one-shotted. Okay, good. If it criticals, then rip. Like a safeguard. I'm just gonna use safeguard for eternity. Eternity of safeguard. Okay, just going for flamethrower now. Last time I didn't get under half health because I had nothing. Well, I killed it. Was that a critical? It wasn't even a critical, that did a lot. I should get his defense to fall. Woo! Woo! How my rock broke his rock. Now he's gonna switch out, because I don't want Entei to kill it. And then I'll switch back to Entei. So you can kill Entei. So you better kill Entei, or I'm gonna kill him. I won't kill him, but try not to kill him. Last time I didn't even get to use a Ultra Ball. Maybe I'll kill him. Well, this video's been really long, guys. Let's go, M. You got this, M. You can go to sleep, M. Or else, M. If you don't make me go to sleep, M, I'll eat you, M. Make you into a salad. Okay, perfect. is the last one so far. Oh, it's not been the hardest. Zapdos has still been the hardest. Moltres is being really difficult. Waking up like Zapdos did last time. 1. Oh. Oh, never mind. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I got all the birds. Perfect, I got them. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the PC and show you all of them. Hey, my friend is here. Say yes. Okay, perfect. It's glitched here also. So let's go. And let's go check our PC and see how they look. Someone's texting me on Roblox. Probably Royce and Ryan. Okay, where are they? Articuno, right here. Hide and speed, that's actually really good. Whoa! Holy moly. Almost perfect Ivies. Probably won't use it on my team. Okay, here's Zapdos. This is the one I really want to use it. Hide and special attack, hide and speed. Yes! Oh my god. Ivies? Oh my god, perfect Ivies! Are you serious? Oh my god. Perfect. And Moltres is the last one. This is my least favorite one. Here it is. Hide and speed or special attack? Aw, lowering his speed. Terrible. You suck. Almost perfect Ivy. Why do all the legends have like almost perfect Ivies? Really cool. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.